All right, Kipsters, here we go. We're going to learn how to use Epic. First thing, you need to click on the link that is in your form. You can also go to the top and type in getepic.com/student. But that link will take you right there with no typing. getepic.com/student. It'll bring you to a screen that looks just like this. I already have logged in, and so it already shows Mr. Taylor's class here. Yours might not, so go ahead and put in the code. You can also find that in the Google form, PJI2336. Hit go. And once you are logged in, you should be able to find your name in here. I'm going to log in as Aiden real quick. And I can choose the books from here. I can also go to AR to put in the level that I am looking for. If the books look really hard, maybe try an easier level. If they look really easy, try a little bit of a harder level. All right, go ahead and choose your book and get reading.